back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about 360. And she's saying that basically that people are supporting him. They are sending him money through Cash App when he has been going against her and degrading women on social media. She's saying that the women who are encouraging him should stop, as it's not a good thing. It's not a good look. Now, she's also mentioning things about Janet and him and saying that Ashanti doesn't sleep. And there's a lot of other things that she has to say about him in regards to what Ashanti allegedly is saying about her. But according to her, he is speaking things that are untrue about her and things that he doesn't even know of. She's saying that where she's at, she's comfortable. She's paying her money to stay at this hotel. And if she wanted to, she could have gone to the government, to say that she wanted to stay at the shelter, but she's not doing that because that's for people who doesn't have the resources to go on. So go ahead and catch the video, guys, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
What kind of fuck you not chat people years old? What kind of fuck you not chat people years old? Look how me fucking nice and comfortable. Me look like somebody stressed, you know? Me want to make me look like somebody stressed, you know? When me couldn't walk in my footstep, someone who no blood clot girl out there. When me couldn't be strong and liberate myself and walk out of some of them abuse relationship and under man blood clot regime when I do nothing for no. I date. Me no commitment to nobody, but someone no live with blood clot, man. Me no live with no man. If me want, me can go stay in place. I mean, I got no money, I go stay, because I don't know if me want man or no want man not. You understand? Una for rise up. Una barely want to support my business. But you know, over there support a man and I give him cash up for come on social media and downgrade people. Nobody not tell himself he's squandering fucking money and go and turn drug addict, crackhead, and use all the money. And I know we tell him to lose him house where me have back in the days. I know we tell him that. I know we tell him to go cuss him blood clot, mama make him curse. I ain't go cuss him, mama make him curse, and mama don't want to see him. Him mama dump him. When last you see him guy in mama yard? Don't you used to go in mama yard go cook for him mama? Him mama don't want to see him. The last time I talked with Janet saying cuss him mother, and his mother don't want him. Mother said don't come back to my yard. Because the fucking boy did I use half his mama pills them. Just like how him go to Maxine yard and I use half Maxine pill them. In curse him mother rotten dog, his mother say him no want him. But this is a boy curse. That is somebody who don't want to motivate, you know? Who no over there listen to fuckery. Them the story they way my talk about me. Them the something they sound like a truth, you know? Them the something they sound like a truth, you know? But who no want to sit down on the page. Cash up me, zell me. Cash up me and zell me. Cash up and zell a man who is blackmailing a woman. Cash up a man who is sitting down into a woman's yard. And I leech off a woman when him supposed to go out and work. Me not leech off anybody. Me sell me tool or something them. And me do what I have to do. Me could have want if the way we not chat, me could have want shelter right now. If me did want to defraud the government, me could have want shelter right now. So me could have get in one section 8 faster and I live free and do what I want to do. Since I don't want to put it like that, me could have want shelter right now. Go say to them, say me not have to live. And make them put me up and put me in a shelter. Why would I do something like that? When me don't need it. Them there's something for people who don't have nowhere to go. Me wouldn't dare if you go to government and go say if you go leech off of them and if you go in a shelter when me have 6 brothers and sisters foreign. and make I help myself and me have a business. So I wouldn't do something like that. Me not feel desperate for son I have nobody. My whole generation not feel gone out of this world of us before me even think of even going there. Una just come on social media and I don't understand. Me wish all I want to go over there go watch him, don't come back by ya. But me can't know who watch him from when I watch him. Any supporters, any me wish me could have know the person who all I want to go over there go give him all a change in a hand. Me cursed everyone I want money from today on. I curse every one of you out there. Anyone who will go, they go give that boy Gavin Salman, aka Ashanti 360 money. Father God, I curse every dollar bill. That as long as them live before them come serve you, that money with them have them just disappear. I curse every dollar. Una can't support boy like that. Boy come on social media and una drop money for discriminate people, for bully people, for come on social media come talk slandering story when no go so. What kind of bullshit is that? That's why I not respect nobody out there. Me can't me can't comprehend for certain things. How can you sit down on social media? Run the dirty foot boy. Make it look a long vampire blood clot teeth boy ugly like how make him go about his fucking business. He look a dirty stinking rotten teeth boy. Make him go about his business. I feeling me having my teeth right so. And next week, me I go to dentist. Go brush my teeth again. Every 6 months, me go to dentist. Run the fucking big teeth, boy. Look how him fucking teeth, them ill and gully. Like a blood clot, giddy house over Port Royal. Him fucking boy, him sound like kind of blood clot handicap hyenas. Him not even sound feminine. I want go over there and watch him. Look how him look. Look on a maga, little stringy blood clot short midget boy. I want over there support him. I don't want to come downgrade a strong blood clot but woman. Wanna take this thing for? Wanna take this thing? Why you think I sacrifice myself, try to push myself and sell my products and go about my business and shop and continue? Because I don't want to depend on nobody. My sisters and brothers, them down in North Carolina, the whole of them have a house. He said, mother may have, father may have, best child own. Me not have to own none. Some people buy the house. My sister bought a house the other day. And she has 60. Me not reach 68. Me have 9 more years next month to go. A lot of people buy the house never too late. Me have a sister in Pennsylvania also. She can't buy a house anytime. She live in her apartment, said we like everybody else. Nobody have to buy no house. That's why them have building and make up anyway. Me live anywhere. This place where me in a lot of people are here for months now. If whatever you can afford to live, you live. It's just simple as that. Nobody not busy with nobody. As long as it's nice and comfortable. I mean nice and comfortable compared to where me coming from, where me never want to live. And every day when I come on social media. Some of you there right now, in a one little corner, one little place, in a one little furnished room, and I come right here. Some of you in a one furnished room right now, my bathroom bigger than that. My bathroom when me have right now bigger than it. You understand? You don't even have a fridge in there. You're afraid for going on the landlord fridge, you're afraid for coming in, you can't even carry a blood clot man for get like a little joke and little loving. You have to hide. Landlord a cuss no dog rat and go. I want to waste a place and if you don't have your fucking money, you can't turn in here. So nobody can cuss me, so you have to look on that blood clot. If you don't have your money to pay in this pussy clot here, you cannot stay in here. So it's even what you call it now. So when you know over Woodland Village cost me and I say me not the money for parent. If you not have the fucking money for playing, so you can't go. They said no, me not sign no contract. They said no contract place, so me sign contract for you go live off in a for them nice luxury place. So when time you look at that blood clot, you have to look at that too. You can't hold in there, so. If you hold in there, so, your key don't work. And the likes you can't live in a one place and you come in now and you can't come in said way. If you don't fucking pay and you don't whatever, you ain't gonna come in here. You ain't gonna where you going to come? At which key going to work? At which light out turn green? Which light out turn green? Not this a light here. Not this a place here. So no recognize and no one not chat say. Let people live them life and go live phone life and stop worry about people. And stop supporting but a mama man. Stop supporting workless blood clot man. Stop supporting them. Stop feeding drug addict. Uno are feeding a drug addict boy. Him a the bottomless pit where you call workless man. That word fit him. Workless blood clot 360. That's what him is. Him a the worklessest blood clot man on social media. And him. I see say una dirty blood clot, dirty girl, una love workless man. You understand? That's what uno is. That's what uno is. A workless blood clot man and girl. Hold on there. That is how it is. Uno can't support something like that. Uno can't support something like that. And that is what I'm trying to tell you. Uno cannot support something like that. That is what it is. Uno can't do it. And until you learn to stop support something like that, uno go and see uno life much better and happier. Learn to get motivation. Learn to get inspiration from people who uno can get motivation and inspiration from. Take it from Marcia. Take it from Marcia. No care, house is not all. House is not all. Take it from Marcia. Stop supporting that drunker boy. Stop supporting that little crackhead blood clot midget boy. That's what him is. You only feed him because him substance. Him take drugs. Stop feeding the drug addict boy. Stop feeding because Satan boy we can't sleep at night time. Him not sleep. Me yes at 24 hours in the day. And out of the 24 hours, in one a woman say not even 2 hours him not sleep out of it. Him not sleep. And if you not check him pattern on social media, the boy not sleep. And when him asleep, he peer balling and peer nice, he making him sleep like Hobby man a run him down. Cause him fucking wicked. The same thing me say go on social media. And the same fucking thing he go on there sleep. And that is a God Almighty truth. That is what I heard. And the woman not lie. Me say the same him can't sleep. Peer nice and morning in him sleep. Because the devil joke him. In tormented. So just as how him tormented in them soul, as so the boy torment in their sleep. Serious thing, this ain't no fucking lie. And who a woman tell me that? And who a woman tell me that when she was mad with him? He said make peer nice in them sleep. Peer nice. Me ask him, me have everything for recording. Me have over 40 to 50 voice note talking to her when me record. So she can't deny it. Me have every last one of them with her own voice telling me all of them sort of something there. And when him run him out, oh boy dirty. She sit down on the toilet seat and shit and then come and name her pussy while she a shit. For show you the boy dirty. And she have that on camera. For show you how I'm desperate. For show you how him desperate when man him not want him. While she in the bathroom a shitting come and her pussy said we upon the toilet seat. For show you the boy blood clot workless and desperate. And when the police come in, drop a ground at the door, we a ball and a wash way, like, and a flatter like a blood clot crayfish out of water. And at them, somebody there, only there, a flatter and a ball. It dep on camera. Eh? It dep on camera. It dep on camera when he kick down Janet room door and push down his cousin. Kind of try to take off here. Eh? Mr. One workless dirty boy. Him do anything to stay in a people's house. Make him come over here, come here. Make me dash out in blood clot sitting them. Yeah? That's all him do walk and near woman pussy if stay in the house. And he come over here, grudge a hard working woman. We are work and have them own a business. And look upon you. Eh? Look at your fucking teeth, them big and ugly. Eh? Look how your forehead stay. Look for you. Look how your blood clot short and look like a bumbo clot gingy fly. And you come on social media, boy, you cost money. Look how you fucking dead. Till after you use strap on for fuck woman. With your little dead blood clot stone dick. Your dick must dead. Your dick dead because you have a disease. So your dick must blood clot dead. Go show the pills them where you take, motherfucker. Go show them. Let me show you mine. Me take vitamin D and me take 5 milligram a blood pressure pill. And me take a water pill, a pink one, a water pill. That me take, motherfucker. Go show fear them with your blood clot hand where you tremble. You cannot chat. You're full of use a blood clot crackhead. You know, see every time you have to rub nose and a blood clot sniff. You can't even hold a pussy clot conversation good. Look how you sound. You sound like a hound dog. Look, you get a fucking voice for a man like that. Look how your voice sound. Look how your voice sound for a man. Then I wish woman would want to walk with you. I wish woman would want to walk with you. A dirty pussy will monger like you. Bitch ass, batty boy like you. I would say a workless blood clot woman. A drugs, your blood clot drugs, Janet. Make him must there with you. Yeah, nobody. Remember, see you got a blood clot, you have to clean shit and piss and clean her house. And water, blood clot. You have to water, blood